Keywords and topics are frequently related with certain considerations or customer's journey in SEO content strategy. An SEO keyword strategy is a long-term strategy for generating organic search engine traffic from relevant keywords in order to reach a certain objective, such as increasing organic traffic by 50% in 6 months or becoming the #1 brand in your niche. Keyword research versus keyword strategy. A keyword strategy is more than merely researching different keywords and determining whether or not to utilize them. While keyword research is an important component of the process, developing an organic strategy needs a bit more forethought and organization. You'll know what types of content to target and when using a keyword strategy. You'll also have a clear idea of what your target audience wants to see and how they react to different types of content, such as written versus video marketing materials. And you'll have a starting point when pursuing a fresh topic or angle. You can use a keyword strategy to determine whether or not an idea fits within that plan. If it doesn't, it might be best to move on to another that works. What are the different types of keywords? Long-tail keywords. Another form of advanced keyword is long-tail keywords. These are more specialized search terms to the topic the user is looking for. If I'm looking for sneakers, for example, I may write sneakers or white sneakers into the search field, and that will be my keyword or search query. The longer the term, the more detailed it becomes. Shorter words/phrases are ambiguous, resulting in broad searches. Branded keywords. Branded keywords are keyword concepts that are tied to a specific company or service. Most keywords include the brand or service in the search query. If the consumer is seeking for a certain firm or service, this is ideal. Customer-defining keywords. Customer-defining keywords are search phrases that identify a specific subset of customers or audience. In these searches, customers use words or phrases to define themselves. Product keywords. Product keywords are terms related to specific brand offerings. These types of keywords are phrases that directly reference a company's products or services. Brands should have a keyword strategy for each of their products and services so customers and prospects can find their offerings through search. Branded keywords. Branded keywords are search phrases that include a brand's name or other branded terms. These types of keywords may include only the brand name or the brand name along with a product type, product name, or another descriptive search phrase. Now, how do you create a keyword strategy for your SEO? This is an area where a lot of small businesses struggle, mostly because they get so wrapped up in the keyword research portion that they can't think about anything else. The truth? Creating a smart strategy for better search rankings usually starts with a few key steps. Think about your audience. Before you dive headfirst into your keyword strategy, the first step is to really think about your audience. Make sure you understand what people look for in content. Do they like long articles or videos? While this may not appear to be directly related to keyword strategy, it is. The more you know about the audience you want to attract, the easier it is to choose keywords for a series of content pieces. Keyword research and analysis. You'll eventually reach a point where keyword research and analysis are critical. Coming up with a topic to write about and selecting many coordinating keywords is critical to your overall marketing approach. Make a list of several hundred keywords that your target audience would be interested in. Consider elements such as monthly search volume, but also the competitors. If the top page for a specific keyword is dominated by prominent firms with large ad budgets, you may choose to avoid it in favor of a different one. Don't be hesitant to include a few long-tail or descriptive keyword phrases in your study. Many businesses have found significant success by employing highly targeted search phrases in a way that attracts clients who are ready to act. Create and publish your content. Finally, you want to produce and publish quality material. While conducting a lot of keyword research and having a good strategy is vital, the most important element is still publishing quality blogs, videos, infographics, or whatever else you're doing on a daily basis. Likewise, consistency is essential. When it comes to SEO, You'll want to make sure you're publishing new and engaging pieces on a frequent basis. By doing so, you're letting your audience know that you're a dedicated authority in your subject, while also reminding search engines that they need to check your website more frequently to discover that juicy new content. It's critical to develop a keyword strategy for your business. Without a roadmap to guide your content development process, it's simple to get lost in the minutiae or become stuck along the way. However, when you have a plan and are tracking your progress, it can be easier to consistently publish blog posts and videos that people want to read and watch. And what if the content doesn't work? You can always make changes as needed.